Yo, what's up, guys? Alright, I got a special one. Hey, Dad, can you bring me the tape measure? We're no, we're gonna get rid of the squat today. It's squatted out.
Squatted out. Oh, it's right here, son. Oh, squatted out. Did you hear him?
Alright.
What'd you do?
Alright, guys, back to it. If you're helping me with the camera, I wouldn't need them.
I'll help you with the camera.
It's alright. I got these out now. So 10 inches right here. And 6 inches, or just under. I'll show you all. Got my tools. Got the impact socket. But like I said, the blocks are installed kind of reverse to squat. So we're gonna get this side swapped out, that side swapped out, and we're gonna get after it, guys. Damn, this one wasn't even on there that good.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey.
This one too. Look, hand tight.
Wow.
Wow, Dad, that's scary, man.
Yeah, well.
We're gonna have to check everything on this bad boy.
Well, everything that he messed with.
Yeah, you're right.
Everything that he messed with, which this is one thing.
Alright, guys. You seen that. I'm gonna get the GoPro out. Alright, you missed it, guys. A few of these bolts were, well, you didn't miss it. I caught it on this camera. A few of these were hand tight. This side were hand tight. This side we got off with the impact. So we're gonna get this raised up. I'm gonna take this out of here.
Is it going up?
Hold on, not yet. Not yet.
Oh, no?
No, not yet.
Okay.
There we go.
Going up?
Yep.
I'm gonna get the thing.
Right there. Oh, one more. Finish. Alright, that's the one.
Make sure you got the pin hole.
Alright, one more. Alright.
One more.
That's it. There we go.
That's it?
Fuck, hold on. Got it.
It's in. I heard that.
Alright.
Okay, now you guys just gotta put the U-bolts on and tighten it down. Tighten it down. I can let this down all the way now. Yep. Wow, I like how you beat that in like that. All right.
It's recording now. I think I got it, Dad.
You what?
I said I think I got it.
You got all the holes in?
Not yet. I got all the holes in, but now I'm tightening them down.
Oh, there you go. I can't believe two of them were hand tight.
Yeah, I know, that's wild.
Trying to get a better view of it.
Probably put the blanket on the other side.
Wrong spot.
What do you mean?
The thing that you put up top.
Well, yeah, he just had the block installed reverse to squat it.
Oh, I got you. I got you. Because you had the block up there.
Yeah.
Right, you can go a little more. Yeah, so you're even. Hold on. No, go get now. No, listen, dude. Okay, listen. What? Because you both like this. You're pulling on this side, not that side. So it's it's burn it. Oh, you know what? Keep that one off and turn it around. Or you're gonna get under. No, you want to get off? Well, take here. There you go. Yeah, we'll get it off. You put the bird on there.
Baby.
Wow, make a monkey's uncle out. You can take it all the way off with it. This thing, piece of jury rig, man. God almighty.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, what you taking it is done, huh?
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah.
You remember how we sagging in the back?
Yeah.
Nice, man. Looks like a real. I get bored. You want me to take that back bumper off for you?
We'll do it. We'll make a video of it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're right. I kind of already can tell a difference.
Oh yeah, big time. Your woman noticed that she. I'm gonna wash my hands now.
Don't do that to mommy. I said, don't do that to mommy. Don't make mommy feel bad.
Oh yeah. Dude, guys, that was a pain in the ass. Yeah, this guy that had this before me, bolts were left on there hand tight. Yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna show you videos and clips. This thing is butchered under here, but we're gonna bring her back to life. Sorry guys, gonna get her cleaned up. Yeah. Gonna get her cleaned up real quick, and then I'm gonna get under there and show you guys what I was talking about. Alright guys, just wanted to show y'all underneath. So this is what I was talking about. Just stuff like this, cut. This not being mounted. This. Yeah. These were hand tight, which is crazy. Look at that. At least he's got that one on there tight. You got the first ones, but like, dude, what are you doing, man? So, yeah, just all types of crap. But yeah, more videos to come, guys. If you lasted this long, thank you. I just wanted to show you all a quick little difference. Alright guys, so you seen what it was at before. Now it's about almost 9 inches. This side got lifted up a lot more, so yeah, 10 inches. So I might have to get a block, a different, you know, bigger, maybe a 4-inch block in the back. Yep. But we'll see it whenever it's off of this, my concrete for the carport. I pull it off and measure again. Wow. Yeah, that makes a big difference. All right. That's it afterwards.
I got something for you.
It's a walk. Thank you. It's a magic walk.
Yeah, more videos to come, guys, soon. Gonna jump over to the interior a little bit, just doing small stuff right now because money's tight. So I'm gonna fix the 4-wheel drive switch, get that going, see if the 4-wheel drive works. Gonna get a new head unit going, gonna fix the gauge clusters as those don't work. So got our hands full. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Deuces.